What's up? Good morning, you guys. Hope you guys having a great day today. This is just the average guy, stock market, pre-market watch list. And here I do every morning is just break down the penny stocks I'm looking at for the day and show you what kind of potential I see in them. Go ahead and jump into it, share my screen, and show you what we got for today. So, first one on the list is DCAR, DCAR. I'm liking this movement here. Let's check the news. Pre-market after announced partnership with Volvo Cars Manhattan to automatically pick up. Okay. And delivery of vehicles for service and maintenance. Okay. So D-Car is trying to revolutionize automatic travel. So this seems like a pretty potential good deal. Gonna be watching for volume in the beginning of the day. Gonna be watching this level here, right here. If it's starting to show momentum to get past this level, would definitely be a good entry to get in at. Seeing as getting close to the high of day here. Get this, mark this one out. It's the old one. So this is a very new company though, fairly new stock. Hasn't been on the market that long, so definitely overall downtrend right now. So be careful with this stock. This might just have a little push in the morning. Nobody really knows about this stock too much yet. So DCAR is kind of on the back burner. Just gonna be waiting for it to hit my alert and see what it does. All right, SAEX next on the list. Let's check the news real quick. Nope, no news on the quick feed real right there. Mark out right here, potential resistance. Take a couple days back, look back, see what it's been doing when it usually gets a pop. So it got a pop there, pop, pop. Now it's been on the downtrend, and now it's got a little pop. So let's check it out. All right, zoom out a little bit. Zoom in right here. Zoom in right here. Big resistance right here at 236. Currently trading at about, the current high of the day right now it's about 214. It's currently trading at 183, so it's got some room to go up. Higher lows in the pre-market. We'll have to see. We'll have to definitely wait on volume. Overall downtrend though so far, so definitely cautious of that. Let's look at the yearly chart. It seemed like it had a nice tap a couple days ago. What day was this? On the 3rd, had a nice tap touching the moving average there. So looks like it wants to get some momentum upwards. That's a pretty strong. Even though it's red, it went up high. So we're gonna have to watch it there. Look at that volume. That's pretty much making higher highs here. Higher high, going upwards. So we have to watch it. SAEX is on the list. VVUS is on the list. I'm liking that. See if we can get a continuation this day of that upwards trend. I'm liking that. What's the news? Up 18% pre-market, positive preliminary results from phase 1 trial. Okay, so that's good there. It's all right news. Too bad it didn't say outstanding results, but hey, it's all right. See, it's having some pressure right here at this resistance point. That's good. That means it's wants to break through upwards. I'm liking that. I'm gonna wait on volume. I'm gonna go ahead and set an alert right here. It's a lower price stock. Only gonna be able to get a couple cents, but buying a good amount shares for what your account allows for, you can get in and out and make a good profit. So that's pretty. I'm just gonna be watching it mostly for volume, get in and out. Um, Probably get out right before it reaches $1. Dollar's definitely gonna be strong resistance. Any whole amount, dollar 50, or 10.50, $11. That's gonna be strong resistance. But I'm liking this upward momentum here. See when's the last time it was at $1. See, it didn't even reach $1 here. We're at the boiling point right now where it needs to break through or go crashing down. So I think 95 cents would be a great. No, yeah, 95 cents would be a great resistance point there. So you gotta watch it when their stocks are under $1. I mean, it's not gonna jump up usually a whole dollar or anything like that. You just gotta get a couple cents in and out. Being that you can buy so many shares, you gotta think about what other people are doing. If you could buy 1,000 shares, how many shares can they buy? 10,000s, and then they make a little bit of money and they get in and out. So just make sure you are getting out positively. The next one on the list is DFBG. Liking it here. Liking the upward motion, the uptrend. Just look back a little bit more. So had a nice up right here, then it was going down for days. Now it had a nice pop. It's been uptrending since that pop. This is the third time it has reached this resistance point here, so this might be a good break point right here, or a good reverse, but it looks more like a break point, break to the upside. I'm liking that. See, that was more of a downward triangle. This is more of a flag right here, and more of a continuation, especially if it has good news. Getting higher, consumer dates, River Science tailored clothing partnership with Peerless. Okay. Yeah, I think this is a good one here. It's got good news, got to continue motion upwards. Let's check it out, the yearly. Oh, it's got a gap here. And if gaps want to close. So be careful here. Here's the gap here. But it had a retest. It did catch some level of support, but I don't know. There's still a potential gap to where it can be filled. So be careful. It's on a nice momentum upwards. I'm liking it. I'm gonna have to watch it. Watch it real closely. Mostly just gonna be waiting on volume. And waiting for it to hit a key level of about, let's check out the 5 minute. 5 minute. Got some, okay, so let's see that touched about 3 times right in here. 1, 2, 3. That is a good price level right there. 590. So let's trade at 580 right now. I'm going to say about 596, about $6 really. Break above $6, I'm gonna be interested in it. Anything under 569, I'm not interested. It means it's going downwards, it's busting downwards. I'm gonna be interested in a reversal if it really gets oversold. I'm definitely gonna be looking at that. But other than that, nope. Check out SPY. How's it looking today? Look at that nice upward motion. I read earlier that the US dollar rebounded nicely. Let's look at this. Okay, it's coming up there. Look at that. Oh, it's got a nice fat green bar. I think it's gonna bust. Ooh, that's a gap. That's a gap and go. Gap and go right there. So look like the markets look to set up nice and high. Oh, look at that. Apple get a nice gap. What's the news on Apple? The class action lawsuits. iPhone buying price had changed right now. Not too much. Whole bunch of advertising. But you want to keep your eye, even though you're a day trader, you want to keep an eye on the overall market because it shows you patterns that you can potentially use. What's going on, like especially when all the blockchain and the Bitcoin was going up thousands of dollars. I mean, some stocks were going crazy, like Overstock. They had a crazy rise just because it started accepting, cryptocurrencies. You went all the way from $23 to, but bam, $88. So want to recognize what's going on around the market, what's trending, what's popping off, and you want to ride the trend with it. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get ready for the market. I only got 7 minutes. I will catch you later. Subscribe to the channel if you like what's going on, and click that like button if you watch the video. All right, you guys, take it easy.